Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pull up Apple Pay on iPhone. So just tap on my iPhone settings and I will scroll down to find wallet and Apple Pay and just tap on it, and after you will be just tap on add card. So after add card, inside you will have to add your debit or credit card in this your Apple wallet. So I will just tap on a debit or credit card to add my Mastercard. So the first thing is that to you will add a payment method secure that can use you can NFC with contactless. You can pay anything from your iPhone by scanning the charge. So I will just tap on this continue button and just enter card details manually. So I just add manually of my card information to this wallet icon. So after inside you will just tap a name on your card information. So and you can also add a card number. Make sure the accurate card number you can enter in this icon, and after you will add a expiration date and security code which is on the back side of your code, and just tap to next. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more video.